Hello, if you have any problems with your Temu app, maybe it's lagging or loading issues, I'm going to show you a few steps you can do to fix it. The first step will be to update the app. I'm going to show you this process on an Android phone, but it should be similar in an iPhone. First, open the Play Store, then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. After this, go to Manage Apps and Device. Here you can find the section Updates Available. Tap inside to check if Temu has an update available. If Temu doesn't appear in this list, you are updated already. The second step will be to delete the cache data. Open the settings and scroll down until you see apps, tap on it. In this apps list, just scroll all the way down until you see Temu and tap on it. Scroll down again until you see the storage section and tap on it. Here in the storage section, you can delete the cache data right here. And don't worry about the cache data because it's only temporary files, which can cause loading and other issues. Right next to it, you can see the clear data option, which deletes all the data inside of the app. It's like a fresh installed app after the deletion. So if step 1 and step 2 didn't help, you can clear the data right here, or you can just uninstall the app and reinstall it. And that should fix Temu issues for most of the people on the app. Thanks for watching.